Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to change alarm clock ringtone on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock on your itel S15 mobile phone to proceed on alarm clock. And okay guys, here you can see on the top the alarm clock icon, the word clock icon, the stopwatch icon, and also the timer icon. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change alarm clock ringtone on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, you all have to do is go to alarm clock icon. And okay guys, here I have two alarm time set into my mobile phone. And okay guys, to change the alarm ringtone of this alarm time, okay, you'll have to do is click the alarm time. And okay guys, here in alarm time you can see the ringtone. And okay guys, here you'll have to do is click ringtone to change the alarm clock ringtone. And okay guys, here you can see the alarm sounds you can select by scrolling down or up on a screen. And okay guys, so I choose the one of this ringtone. And okay guys, after you choose the ringtone, okay, go back. Don't forget to save or click the save button to save your alarm clock ringtone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the alarm clock ringtone on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.